Hello, I'm Johnson Lam here, founder of KakiDIY and KakiRepair. Today, I am right out DIY Plus. Mr. DIY Plus in Midvalley Megamall KL is the biggest Mr. DIY in Malaysia and the only Mr. DIY with an exhibition center right in front. So today in the exhibition hall itself, we have WD40. And WD40 today for this weekend, Saturday and Sunday, 30th of March and 31st of March, is having some product demo over here and also giving people a chance to win some prizes as well. Alright, so before I go through all these booths and stuff, there will be a special announcement, a repair challenge happening from 1st of April to 31st of May, right? And this is for anyone, okay? No matter if you are a customer or not, you can just capture pictures or videos of your repair and DIY. And then what you do is you go to this website, repairchallengemine.wd40.asia, and from here, upload this particular videos and pictures, and you can stand a chance to win all kinds of prizes, right? Okay, let's take a look at some of the products and demo stations over here. Let's start out from the rightmost over here. You can see, wow, very greasy, right? So this is a demo station for WD-40 degreaser, okay? To use this is very simple. What you just need to do is just to spray this all over, okay? And you will see that the foam will start to work itself by lifting up all the grime, lifting up the oil, okay? And with that, you can easily later on just clean it away, okay? So let it run for a while. We'll come back here. And over here, of course, we'll have this hero of the day, the WD-40 multi-use, this time with the smart straw, okay? So those days, you have to attach the straw by, having this little red straw and then you put it on the nozzle. But with the smart straw, it's so simple, okay? Without it on, it's basically the normal white spray pattern. And with it on, you can just flip it up using one finger. You can get a nozzle for you to have a more concentrated spray, okay? So the smart straw finally available here. This is what I'm very excited about as well, okay? You can use it multiple ways and no more losing of this little straw, right? Okay, so let's take a look over here. Now all the foam have lifted up the grease. And with that, it's very easy for you to just wipe off the grease from the surface, okay? So yeah, this is what the degreaser is for. And now you see this towel is super clean comparing to just towel. Yeah, they have grease all over the place. It works really well for automotive products. Your engine, okay, you want to clean up the gears and chains before you lubricate them again, you can use this degreaser. I use this a lot in kitchen stove and kitchen hob. And it works really, really well, okay? Degreaser. All right, then over here, there's a lot of electronic products. And these electronic products, the best product to use is contact cleaner, okay? With the contact cleaner, it is very safe for you to clean contact points and electronics. You're not afraid for it getting electrocuted because the compound over here, okay, is for sensitive electrical parts, all right? It leaves no residue. This one, the KakiDIY and the KakiRepair team use a lot of it during the flood rescue mission. So as you know, once a year in Malaysia, we have a lot of floods and we have all these electronic products that has been like drained, wet in the water with mud. We use the contact cleaner to easily, can you see that? Yeah, spray away and clean away all the items on electronic items, right? And it lifts away the moisture as well. And after it's been dried, okay, no more moisture and no more mud and stuff left over in the electronic appliances. So perfect for flood rescue. And of course, we have a lot of these problems as well, right? Where we have battery corroded in your electronic items, all right? So using the contact cleaner, you can clean away the corrosion. Clean away the corrosion, okay? Then after that, of course, you can use sandpaper to file it down. And with the contacts clean, you can put back the battery and your remote can be used again, all right? And contact cleaner is also perfect for all these electrical contact points, all right? So sometimes if you have your switch lights where the lights are flickering and then you can hear some buzzing noise happening behind, is because of the contact point is not clean or corroded. So with those, you can just use the contact cleaner, all right? Just spray it in the contact points before you screw all these contacts or these wires back in, all right? And again, don't be afraid of this wetness, okay? It is actually not water, so it will not cause electrical shortage or, you know, burns and stuff, right? And it dries off very, really quickly, okay? So this is the station to show all electronic items for the contact cleaner. Right, let's come over here. Here we have a lot of plastic and rubber products. Okay, this is to showcase the silicone quick drying, okay, the WD40 Specialist series. So basically, silicone spray is best for plastics, is best for rubbers, okay, it prevents parts from sticking, of course, it's a lubricant, okay, and I always use this for rubbery products. Like for example, this one, okay, is where your car power window goes through. Okay, sometimes it's like rough and it's making a lot of sound, and sometimes also the rubber becomes hardened, right? And it will cause like air to come in. So using the silicone spray, you can easily use it to lubricate and also protect it, okay? And the silicone spray is very gentle to rubber and plastic. It can make your window glide easily, okay? And it can soften your rubber as well, okay? So if you don't want it to attract too much dust after you use it, okay, you spray it for a while, let it sit for a minute or two, then after that, you just wipe off the excess residue, okay? The silicone spray is still around, but it will not be like super oily anymore, okay? And it will help your window glide through. It is also water repellent and it softens your rubber, right? And that's why it's the best for you to use on this plastic plumbing, okay? Because oftentimes we get leaks. It's because all these sittings, right? All this gasket and these threads is not lubricated well. You can't tighten it well. And the gasket itself also is too hard and not sitting evenly, right? So that's when you use the silicone, okay? You can spray it on the thread itself, right? So I just gently spray a little bit on the thread, okay? It will penetrate into the rubber, it penetrates into the seals, and now when you tighten it, okay, it will be tightened evenly, and then not only that, you'll be also lubricating and softening the gasket, and now you can have a good seal on your piping, especially PVC piping, right? Okay, it's harder to do with one hand. Let me just put this down quickly. All right, so yeah, so see, now it glides and it's tightened and it has a good seal, okay? You don't need to like use a lot of force to seal it up because now it's sitting evenly so water will not come out, right? So all this style of plastic attachment, all right, this style of rubber gasket, okay, silicone works the best, all right? Okay, so over here we have an aircon unit. And this is the demo station for actually the aircon cleaner, all right? So of course, sometimes once a while, your aircon might not be so cold anymore, might be a lot of dust there, and might have some bacteria or maybe some stuff growing from there, right? So it's best to clean the aircon from time to time. So using this aircon cleaner, it's very simple. It's almost like the degreaser, right? You just spray it on top, and then the foam is going to lift off all the dust, okay, lift up all the grime, and it will flow naturally into the aircon drainage system, okay? So like that, and then the foam is going to grow and it will push away all the dust. And with that, it cleans your aircon system, make it smells nicer, and also it kills germs, all right? Yeah, easy to use. All right, so these are the demos that's happening here in the weekend. And of course, today, if you get some of the products, if you get 2 cans of the normal WD-40 product or 1 can of this smart straw, you then given a chance, yes, to go for this contest. Yeah, so over here. So for example, if I buy one of the smart straw product, then I'll get these 2 hoops, all right? And I'm going to stand here and I'm going to try my luck, okay? And just throw the hoops onto the cans. And if I got to this can, I'll get this WD-40 notebook, okay? This one is a surface sanitizer. Over here, I'll get a special WD-40 cap. And here, this is what people are looking for, the Montego flask. Wow, this is awesome. Okay, let me try my luck over there. Okay, so there are two lines, one for the children and one for adult. And since I'm no longer a child, so I stand over here. And then here I go. Oh, almost. Oh, yeah, I fell into the cap, right? So the second one, missed that, right? Almost. So here I got the cap, so which means this cap is mine. Okay, so yes, so come check it out. 30th and 31st of March. Okay, WD40's booth in Mr. DIY Plus Midvalley in KL. All right. So with that, we here, especially on 31st of March, that's Sunday, we will run a special KakiRepair session, all right? From 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Over here in the booth, you can bring in your stuff. As usual, we'll run KakiRepair, where we'll help you diagnose and we're going to repair things together. And the best part of it, you can use all the tools and all the products here by WD40. Okay, with that, hope to see you soon. Signing off.